You can keep your cameras off because you are already offline. Yes, yes. Kindly keep your microphone muted. Microphone muted. So what is report actually? In very simple words, reports are based on some activity which already has happened.
अरे भाई
ग्लिच
Keep your microphone
उसको
off.
बैक कर दो.
Microphone को muted रखिए अपना.
इसको वापस ज्वाइन करो.
अभिषेक कुमार कौन है?
ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ था.
अभिषेक कुमार माइक्रोफोन ऑफ करिए. Stop talking. There should not be any murmuring. So I was telling you what is actually report writing. Or what is a report? A very simple example is when you are sick, you visit the doctor and the doctor tells you to have some tests done. It can be a blood test, it can be an X-ray. And then the report is showed to the doctor. So report can be defined as something with an activity which already has happened, on the basis of which you are making a report. Like I told you, I want the report of Rangoli competition, something which already has happened. Rangoli competition was yesterday. And today I would like to ask you for the feedback or report writing. When you give the feedback, that can be instant also. Like, how was it? Yes, good. Feedback can come in form of words. Feedback hai kya? What do you mean by feedback? What has happened? For example, give me the feedback of your school. Or Shivam Verma, give me the feedback of bridge class. Yeah, your personal opinion. The feedback can come in form of verbal or non-verbal communication. Supposing I say, if I ask you, did you like the food?
Yes.
No, there was no food served yesterday. What no, ma'am? There was no food served yesterday. So, supposing you went to the party and when you come back, your sister, your brother, or your sibling, anybody can ask you, so how was the खाना कैसा था? तब क्या feedback दोगे? हाँ बहुत अच्छा था. क्या क्या था? ये था, वो था, पूरी description बताएंगे. हाँ थोड़ा ये था, थोड़ा बहुत तीखा था, थोड़ा तो मेरे टेस्ट का नहीं था. ये भी फीडबैक है. जब तक मेरी बारी आई तब तक खत्म हो चुका था, तो मैं फीडबैक क्या दूं? नो फीडबैक. हाँ, द वाटर वाज गुड. तो फीडबैक का होता है योर पर्सनल ओपिनियन अबाउट एनीथिंग. इट कैन बी अबाउट food, it can be about a class, it can be about your experience. Suppose you are an IT student, so you are given a workshop of Python. अभी चल रहा है, Android का भी चल रहा है. Python का चल चुका पहले. Now, when I go to these classes, second semester, fifth semester, I ask them, okay, since I am a business communication teacher, give me the feedback of the Python class. Tell me, because I am not there. I have not attended the workshop. So I can also ask them to write a report on Python workshop. Now, why will an English teacher ask you to write a report on Python workshop? Because you need to know what is report writing. Report writing क्या है ये आप सीखेंगे. कैसे लिखा जाता है? How to write a report? Have you ever written a report in your school? Yes. No, some people are nodding. The feedback is coming through verbal and non-verbal. Non-verbal? Yes, verbal. Feedback can come in many forms. Report writing की बात हो रही थी. रिपोर्ट राइटिंग क्या चीज है? आप जो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं वो क्या है? रिपोर्ट है ना. कौन लिखता है उसको? रिपोर्टर लिखता है. किसके लिए लिखता है? फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर ऑडियंस. Report is always for a particular targeted audience. For example, in the newspaper, the reporter is writing for anybody who reads the newspaper. Yeah. So it can be for a particular audience. For example, I give you an assignment. For example, just now I'm asking you, give a report on Rangoli. So this is for a particular audience. It is for me because I am the person who has asked you for this report. And this is also for people who did not attend the workshop, who did not attend the event. So how many of you did not attend the event yesterday? So through their report, you will come to know what actually happened. And I would like to tell you, yours was the winner batch, no? Yes, ma'am. You got the first prize? So this is a matter of great pride that your batch. Yes. Now I would like to ask the people who were there to give us what happened and how was it that you got the first prize? And one thing, what was your learning objective? मतलब आपने क्या इस रंगोली मेकिंग कंपटीशन से what did you learn? Cooperation, coordination, teamwork, planning. Was it only planning? Did you only plan and do nothing? Leadership, plan, and time management. So I was very particular, complete it by 3 o'clock. And I was so right. I was telling each group, wrap up, wind it up by 3 because sir can come anytime after 3:34. But then you were prepared, no? You were prepared. What if you had come earlier then? So always be ahead of time. And there was also a guest. So it is good that you got the first prize and the second prize. Now I would like to, the report of Rangoli competition. Please tell the people who were not there what actually happened. How did you start up till you getting the prize, first and the second? I would like to ask Shivam Verma to give his report first. Have you logged in? You have not logged in. Then you come here. Then you come here, right here, and then you can speak here.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shivam Verma, and today I am here to give a feedback about
Give a report.
and my personal opinion about the last day of Rangoli competition. And we are the runner.
About the grand finale.
Grand finale.
Yeah. You were planning, you were discussing, you were
Okay, ma'am.
practicing.
And when we were in bridge class, then sudden we have got information about the competition, and I think immediately to participate in this competition. And I asked teachers and my friends also to, if you are agree, if you want to do participate. And the boys ignoring, no, Rangoli competition is not for boys, that's for girls. Then
Now, what is your feedback? Like there was many groups, there were only boys.
okay, ma'am.
Like in your group, there were only
But
boys.
we are from bridge, and in my bridge, then some boys are saying that words. So
Yes, I know. I've come to know this. That
Then-
Rangoli is only for girls.
then I have to decide. I make a group, and only that group only for boys, not any girls. I don't know why. Then I decide these things, and I select some. I randomly selected some 5 or 6 person. You are in my group, and he suddenly shocked. And but I then after that some many others come to join, and last day till last day, Ans complained to ma'am. The Shivam Verma rejected me from the group, but we are in AKU batch. And I told him to, you are from PPU, and so we are AKU. So please, then he said, no, I am with you. Then I told, okay, support.
That is why nobody was there from his batch and he wanted to participate. So you have to be accommodative. You have to be open to
Then
options.
after that, we divide our group in four alag, sorry, 4
Not negative.
What because I am from government school, so this happens
That's
every
okay.
time. So we divide our groups in 4 different other groups, like group representative, market representative, and administration, and innovative persons. Then these things makes us very easy to work. And so we last night, before the competition last night, we have joined a Google Meet meeting, and there we should decide what to do, and what is our contribution for next day, and many other things. Then after that we'll come college, sorry, we welcome college, and then we have to decide. Then ma'am say to me, then you have a place for reception area, and this is a very big responsibility for us, because reception area is that area that every person who comes in college, and they first of all see what is your Rangoli, your project. Then we have a responsibility. So we just decide to make a theme about Indian Army and support nation. But there I suddenly decide to dedicate Amar Jawans, and logo of Amar Jawan, and that was very good, and I feel proud to make that, and our teamwork was very good. And then after that we completed, we'll enjoy in class with our kitty party, and at last
How did kitty party?
kitty party.
I did not know. This is news to me that boys are also doing kitty party. kitty party कौन करता है बताओ? Ladies करती हैं, housewives. Oh yeah, they are free the kitty party. क्या करते? Play cards and all that.
हम लोग भी लूडो ही खेले थे, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ना किए थे। उसको क्या बोलेंगे फिर? तो हम लोग जो
We just had a small get together
get together कैसा?
party. As we enjoyed, we celebrated with small parties. Yes.
Then we do a small party. Okay.
So you got the second
Then
prize.
we got second prize, and we feel very proud. But sometimes we feel very demoralized. But at last, I think what we deserve, what then that we get. That's all. Thank you. That's it.
Rohit Raj. चलो यहाँ. Now, Rohit Raj, he is the coordinator of the winning team. He got the first prize. So, yes. Responsibilities. So, I will tell you what are the responsibilities of CR and the responsibilities of Simogen. You already must have come to know, but we have to keep on repeating every day because you keep forgetting. Now, he will give you the feedback or the report of yesterday.
Hi, I am Rohit Raj and I am a student of BCA AQ batch. And yesterday we got opportunity to represent our team Rangoli on the front of our director sir. And at first we got scared at what's our Rangoli to be going in front of director sir. And we got we just contribute our collection and some of our members go for market to buying colors and diyas, and some were preparing on the marble tiles about the sketches of Rangoli. Whenever we come here, we just feel scared at how it is be going. We just no idea about the Rangoli. Means we got first time chance to represent our Rangoli. And after that, after came here, we just meet ma'am and got the area of 1A in the room of 1A. There we had a team of 11 members, and whenever we just start to draw our Rangoli, we just feel nervous that which person do which type of job. Means which person fill the color, which person
Whom to
design.
delegate what, which work?
Ma'am, I have to take the name.
Yeah, no. You continue.
There are so many people, and each have give her 100 her proper contribute in making Rangoli, and each person feel nervous that which type of work he has to do. But whenever we just start to make Rangoli, we feel less nervous, and each person help other to do her job properly. After that, we got shortage of colors because we have no idea about it, how many colors we have to use in Rangoli. We taking proper color for the Rangoli, but we got some shortage like a black color and white color. After that, our boy from our team, her name is Pankaj Kumar.
Boy, her name.
I just confused his and her.
Okay. Fine.
His name is Pankaj Kumar. He just take the responsibility to go went market and take the color. And after that, and in the middle of this, ma'am and other faculty members just scared us that you have no time left for present. Yeah, ma'am. You have
I
not.
felt a pressure because
Yes,
you were
ma'am.
so slow.
But there were so many person. I mean, there were so many boy in our group that just keeps motivated us that we have a lot of time to present our Rangoli. And whenever the color was came by market, we just feel excited and more energetic than before. And I think that moment means whenever we come whenever we come here and started making Rangoli, that time motivation and that time energy was less. And whenever the color was come, that time energy was so large that we have to complete my Rangoli. And I think before exactly at 3 p.m. we just make our Rangoli and just waiting for Dr. Sir come and see our Rangoli. And whenever Dr. Sir see and come our Rangoli, we have just called out at the up floor of our college. There we got scared, means everyone get reward and we don't get any type of reward. We just feel that I cannot get any type of reward. we just hold each other hands that next time we will try to do better. But whenever sir called our group name that Rohit Raj and his groups got the first prize, we just feel so much excitement. And with that excitement, we go there and take our prize. And after that, we feel so much excitement. And I think the next time we also try to do that much better from present. That's all. Ma'am.
Yes, next. People in the group. Yes, come on. रोहित राज कितने लोग थे उनको बोलिए आगे की बात करिए। हाँ?
BCA में दो ही थे हम लोग के बैच से।
बाकी लोग कौन थे?
बाकी लोग और से बैच से थे। मैम ग्रुप मेंबर को बुलाएं।
हाँ, ग्रुप मेंबर जो थे द विनिंग टीम के। You can speak in whatever language that you want.
Good morning, everyone. I am Preet Raj and I am a BCA student. Today we had our Rangoli competition. We made a Rangoli on the theme of women empowerment, and that how a woman has many forms. Like a woman can be a housewife, can be a doctor, can be a policeman, and many more things. In starting, we were very nervous about our Rangoli competition because there are many issues there. There were many issues there. There are lack of colors, and we were not organized. We had not any organized team. It means that we were not organized that how many members, which members will do what things like this. But we had decided that we will do, and we were not participating for winning. We were only for enjoying, not for winning the first prize and all this thing.
Very good.
But we tried our best, and finally we got the first prize. And it was just a matter of thought for me that our team won the competition. That's all. I enjoyed very much.
So what did you learn from this event?
Ma'am, I learned that how teamwork is very important. We won just
How
because of
teamwork
a
is
team.
important, how
And
cooperation is
coordination,
important,
cooperation, all these
coordination
things.
is important. Were you there in the bridge class?
Yes, ma'am, I was there.
You were there.
In this 4.
You were in bridge 4. Tell me something about it. How many people were there, were not there in the bridge class? Raise your hands. All right, what's your name?
Preet Raj.
Preet Raj, tell us what was bridge class and what did you learn from bridge class?
Ma'am, we had learned a lot of things, like we had many types of classes, vocabs classes, English communication classes, and GD classes, and speech preparation classes. And I personally want to tell you that I attained the GD classes for the first time in my life, and I enjoyed very much. And we had learned very things from you too, ma'am. Like how we can learn, how we can speak in English without any hesitation. And the 10th classes of Podar sir was very nice. That's all, nothing.
Okay, which school you come from?
I'm from Anand International School.
You're very good. You are speaking, you have communication skills and you can express what you want to say. Very good.
Thank you.
This is Pankaj Kumar, student of BCA by AQ batch. As you all know that yesterday we had our Rangoli competition, and first of all I want to say that we made a team, but we don't had a team spirit. Which you can say that no one was seeming so serious that we are getting participated, so we must have to do something for our Rangoli, but no one was giving their serious response. At the beginning, I felt very less confidence, and I have already thought that we are not being the winning team. But at the time, it was just like a movie that when we started making our Rangoli, each member of my team were getting so enthusiastic, and they became so energetic. Each member were doing so perfect, and at randomly a member has been selected in our team that her name is Charu. Yes, Charu. At start, I have thought that she is not perfect for our team, but she had shown.
Now, why did you think she is not perfect?
Because ma'am, on the day of Rangoli competition, she told me that I want to participate.
Okay.
That's why I thought that it's not a good time to add her. But when she started giving her outlining talent, really it gives a interesting
She's
and
from which
enhance
batch?
the beauty of our Rangoli.
She's from BBM.
Yes.
Ma'am, she just came and told me, let's allow me to join the group. And I decided.
But I have rejected.
Sometimes you have to
After
give
then I have
chance.
selected.
Like Shiva Verma did not want to give chance to that person.
on-
But you have to give people chance and
Yes,
options.
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Sometimes it can be very good. And maybe because of that Charu, you got the first prize. Yeah, okay. You continue.
So overall, I want to say that each member of our team was really so perfect and so talented. And this was the demand of the situation, that each member of my team were giving their best. And lastly, I want to say that I have learned thing that we should not think that
We should not doubt anybody's caliber.
Yes.
We should not
the
doubt
same line I want
anybody's
to say that
creativity.
we should not have a doubt in any person, because everyone has a beautiful.
Because you do not know what the person may have inside. Yeah, do not judge a book by the cover.
Yes.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya. Yesterday
You can remove your mask because you're quite at a distance.
yes. Hello friends, I am Aditya. Yesterday I am participated in Rangoli, and we have seven members in my group, and my Rangoli gets a second best award, and no one expected that they get in our group member, no one expected that they get a second award, and we get that is very good thing for our group and
So
us.
Aditya, what did you learn from this event?
I learned that anything. First of all, first time
Anything is possible
Yes.
with willpower.
yeah, ma'am. Anything is
Where
possible.
there
I
is
will,
will,
or yeah,
there is a way.
yeah. Because first time I think I never tried this thing only, but when I do, I will get. In first attempt we get second position. So I think when I do.
So you
Next
did
time
not
when I
know
got
that you could get the prize.
yes, first.
Chaliye, very good. Yes, so you are your first timers. What?
Good morning, class. My name is Roman Raj Soni. I am from Patna, Bihar. I have completed my 10th and 12th from Sun College Secondary School, and basically now I am completing my graduation from BCA course from Seniors College, Patna.
Tell me something about St. Karen's.
I think that is one of the best school in the Patna, because their faculties and students are very well organized, and the classrooms or laboratories, they are well occupied and well maintained. We don't need to Same thing.
All right. Tell me something about your family, your hometown, your interests, your hobbies. Let him speak first.
I think.
No. You complete your story.
My, what do you say?
You complete your story, your family, your interests, your hobbies.
Basically, my family belongs from Ara, but now I'm shifted from childhood to Patna. My father is a businessman of ornaments, jewelry shop, and my mother is a housewife. I have two sisters. So one of them is doing MBBS, and second one is doing UPSC. And now I am the third one, and little one.
What is your interest and hobbies?
My interest is in technologies and networks, and my hobbies are traveling. The most I like traveling. But
So what are the places you have traveled and why?
I'm like other states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Jalandhar,
Stop talking.
Uttarakhand.
Yeah, Shiva Verma, you want to ask?
Tell me about the discipline of your school.
He just said that it was a good school and that is the best school in Patna.
The discipline I want to ask. Just
Yeah.
understand
Yeah,
what
बोल ही
is
दिया कि the best. बताओ तो भाई इसको.
Just, if you don't mind.
Basically, what we want. So, can you please?
All right, thank you.